I'll seize it in the comments saying that we will never fail you. Well, you know what? They didn't. Guys, let me show you something. If you're coming to my craft event this August, you are going to get this lovely goodie bag. I'm holding £55 plus worth of products in here. You know what? Everything starts with a dream, and that is so true. This event was a dream of mine a year ago. I said to my daughter, I really want to do an event, and I even had a name for it. I said, Crafty with Julie. Like, it's just so rolls off the tongue. Like, 'cause my name is Juliet. That's actually happening on the 9th of August. Everything really does start with a dream. It starts with imagination. So yeah, goodie bag, guys. I'm not even going to show you what's in here. Like, you have to come to the event to be able to see what's in here. But maybe I'll give you a little sneak peek of something that is... Ooh, nah, no sneak peek. No sneak peek. We'll be adding some extra stuff in there as well. So some little goodies that I'm going to put together and I'm going to purchase for you guys in here. So this goodie bag is probably going to be about £75 worth of products, items, you name it, in here to take you home. So that's your ticket price done and dusted already. One of the giveaways, there's going to be a few giveaways. So everyone who buys a ticket gets entered into the giveaway. If you buy a VIP ticket, you get entered ×3 in the giveaway, so better chance of winning. So this is a Crafty pocket. I have one of these, and I tried to get one in the UK. You cannot get it in the UK, not that I've seen. So this is exclusive, I should say, to the UK, because I don't know where else you're going to buy it. If you don't know, let me know in the comments. But this is a Crafty pocket. It has got, I'm not even going to open it. The winner's going to have to open it on the day. It's the Glamour Crafty pocket. So it's got some glitter vinyls in there. It's got other things in there as well. But it is lovely. Like, whoever wins this, you're going to love it. And I'm going to show you more of the giveaway products as I get them. I haven't got all of them yet. But when I get them, I will get them. So guys, remember the craft event, the theme is color block. So come in your favorite color. Whatever your favorite color is, you need to come in it. Anyone who's in the same favorite color as me, you're going to get a special gift. Okay? You're going to get a special gift. You're in the same favorite color as me. So we shall see, because we're going to be color besties. Yeah? Hey. It's a place for us crafters to really get together. I've realized on social media, I've built such a strong crafting community, and it would be such an honor to meet all of you guys if we get together. We're going to be doing some crafting. We're going to be doing vinyl crafting, using heat transfer vinyl. We've got canvas bags. There's going to be drinks, cocktails and mocktails. It's going to be food, brunch, appetizers, because we know hungry crafters are not productive crafters. There are going to be games. I've got a host. The main reason I got a host, guys, is because I want to spend as much time with you guys as possible. So I will be part hosting, but I've got a host that's going to run the games. I want to be able to really vibe with you guys like I am in the event, not worry about the hosting part of it. So VIP package, I'll be doing your social media audit. So if you know you want a social media audit, if your social media is not where it needs to be, you need to get a VIP package, and you get a 15-minute one-on-one with me. So there's a little area. I'm going to probably insert a little screen where we're going to have a little one-to-one where I could just give you some info on how to increase your social media presence, increase your business presence, and so on. So if that's up your ballpark, get the VIP. There's a few VIP left as well. But if you have any questions about the event or any questions about crafting or crafting community, let me know in the comments, and I'm always happy to help. All right then, bye.